What if your next breakthrough in self-improvement didn't come from a book? Not from a therapist, not from a course, but from a conversation with something that's not even human. AI-powered chatbots are no longer just tech toys. With machine learning, with natural language processing, and with generative AI like ChatGPT, they're becoming something more. Virtual assistants for your mental well-being. Imagine a mindful companion that helps you manage stress, that tracks your habits, that coaches you through anxiety. Not just sometimes, not just when someone's free, but 24/7. Always there, always listening, always learning. But here's the catch. A chatbot is only as good as its design. That's where UX design comes in. That's where AI chatbot tutorials change everything. Because the best AI chatbots are not cold algorithms. They feel like real conversations. They listen, they guide, they understand. And yes, they can even learn your mindfulness patterns over time. Here's something most people miss. AI chatbot services are not just about helping yourself. They can be a business. From therapy chatbots to mental health education tools to guided meditation assistants, creators in the USA are already making money with AI while helping thousands manage stress and manage anxiety. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now. OpenAI's large language models, LLMs, are making chatbots more emotionally intelligent than ever before. Automation is no longer cold, no longer robotic. It's becoming a quiet companion for your growth, for your peace, for your journey inward. So, will you let AI just scroll past you? Or will you design a chatbot that changes lives? Maybe even your own. Subscribe to discover more on AI chatbot design, more on natural language processing, and more on how you can turn technology into a mindful service for the future.